And let's see some highlights from Parker Field, where South Carroll dominated Southern from the start of that 1A quarterfinal. Riley Niles creates some space to shoot. She gets one to go for the Cavs early in the opening frame. Once again, connection, Leah Miller with a goal, Ava Krantz with an assist. It's 3-0 South Carroll. Southern gives the ball up here near the restraining line, and it's off to the races for Leah Miller. And she's going to come all the way down the field, almost coast to coast, and she beats the Bulldogs with another goal as the defenders are on their heels. Miller goes left and scores for South Carroll. Another cause turnover coming up right here. The Bulldogs just can't get their offense going. And the Cavaliers are on the move right near midfield, and the rush ends with Charlotte Harrington and a laser right here that rips the net. And it's running clock in Winfield. Fourth quarter, clock still running, and Caden McCarthy with a nice deke and short-range goal, and it's all Cavaliers in this one. And the final score from Parker Field, South Carroll 14, Southern 1. Charlotte Harrington picked up 10 draws. Leah Miller led the way with 7 goals. Ava Krantz handed out 6 assists in the victory. Want more local sports coverage? Be sure to like us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
First Class Mechanical, the only name you need to know.
First Class Mechanical is the only name you need to know when it comes to this time of year. Whether it's heat pumps, water heaters, bursting pipes, and gas fireplaces.
First Class Mechanical.